Welcome to the healing frequency. If you're listening to this right now, your chest might feel tight, your heart might be beating a little too fast, and your mind might be racing. Breathe. Just breathe. You're not trapped in that thought loop. You're right here with me. Let's take a deliberate breath together to slow the heart down. Inhale deeply through your nose. Fill your lungs completely. Hold it at the top for 3, 2, 1, and let it out slowly through your mouth. Let your chest collapse into relief. Good. Let's do that again. Inhale peace. Hold it and exhale the chaos. Your mind is trying to protect you right now by overthinking, but there is nothing you need to solve in this exact second. There is no emergency in this room. Look around your mind. Notice the thoughts, but don't hold on to them. Let them pass like dark clouds outside a window. You are safe. You are grounded. Feel the weight of your body resting against the surface beneath you. Feel gravity holding you down, keeping you steady. You are completely supported. The world outside can spin, but in this room, inside the sound of my voice, everything is standing still. With every breath you take, the tightness in your chest is beginning to soften. The racing thoughts are starting to lose their power over you. They're just words. They're just noise. And you are the quiet space around the noise. Let your shoulders drop. Let your hands open up. You don't need to fight anything right now. You have survived every difficult moment before this one. And you will move through this one too. The storm is passing. The air is clearing. You are okay. You are completely safe. Stay in this quiet space as long as you need. Breathe in and let go.